everyone, welcome to English with Karim. We are very happy to see you today. If you are a beginner in English, you are in the right place. Don't worry if you don't know many English words yet. In this channel, we learn English step by step, using simple conversations that are easy to understand.
That's right. Learning English doesn't have to be difficult. The best way to improve is by listening, repeating, and practicing every day. Even if you learn just a few new sentences each lesson, you will become more confident over time.
Today's lesson is one of the most important lessons for every English learner. We are going to learn how to introduce yourself in English. This is something you can use when you meet a new friend, start a new job, travel to another country, or speak with someone online.
You will learn how to say your name, your age, your country, your job, and your hobbies using easy English. We will speak slowly and clearly so that everyone can follow the conversation.
Remember, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Every mistake helps you learn something new. Just listen carefully, repeat after us, and enjoy the lesson.
Are you ready to improve your English? Let's start our first conversation together.
Let's begin. Hello, my name is Karim. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Karim. My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from, Sarah?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from Morocco. Morocco is a beautiful country with amazing cities, mountains, beaches, and delicious food.
That sounds wonderful. I've always wanted to visit Morocco. I heard the people are very kind and welcoming.
Yes, they are. What about your city?
I live in Toronto. It's a big city with many beautiful parks, tall buildings, and friendly people from different countries.
How old are you?
I'm 24 years old. How old are you?
I'm 26 years old.
What do you do?
I work in an office. I also enjoy learning English every day because I want to communicate with people from around the world.
That's a great goal. I am an English teacher and I love helping people improve their English skills.
What are your hobbies?
I like reading books, traveling, listening to music, and watching documentaries.
My hobbies are playing football, watching movies, learning English, and spending time with my family and friends.
That's nice. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza and Moroccan tagine. I really enjoy traditional Moroccan food.
I love pizza too. I also enjoy pasta and fresh salads.
Why are you learning English?
English helps people travel, study, work, and make friends from different countries. It's one of the most useful languages in the world.
I completely agree. I believe that practicing a little every day is the best way to improve.
Exactly. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Every mistake is a new opportunity to learn.
Thank you, Sarah. It was great talking with you today.
Thank you too, Karim. I hope everyone watching practices this conversation at home.
Now it's your turn. Introduce yourself in English. Tell us your name, your country, your age, your job or studies, and your hobbies.
Write your introduction in the comments below. We'd love to read it and help you improve your English.
Excellent job, everyone. Today, you learned how to introduce yourself in English using simple and useful sentences. These expressions will help you when you meet new people at school, at work, while traveling, or even online.
Remember, learning English takes time. Don't try to learn everything in one day. Practice a little every day and you will see great improvement. Listening, speaking, reading, and repeating are the keys to success.
Now it's your turn. Introduce yourself in English. Tell us your name, your country, your age, your job or studies, and your hobbies.
Write your introduction in the comments below. We'd love to read it and help you improve your English.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson.
Share this video with your friends who are learning English and keep practicing every day.
Thank you for watching English with Karim. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.